Unscrambling Muddle Up, a guide to understanding this English phrase. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a very common but sometimes confusing phrase in the English language: muddle up. If you've encountered this phrase and it has left you scratching your head, worry no more. We're going to clear up the confusion and help you understand how to use it properly in your conversations and writing. So, let's get started and muddle up together. The phrase, muddle up, is an interesting one because it can be used in several ways. At its core, muddle up means to mix up or confuse things or ideas in a way that makes them hard to distinguish or understand. Think of when you mix different colored paints together and they lose their distinct colors. That's what you're doing to ideas or items when you muddle them up. Examples in sentences. When I was sorting out the files, I muddled up all the documents and now I can't find the one I need. He muddled up the instructions, which is why the cake didn't turn out as expected. Understanding muddle up is easier when you see it in action. Let's look at the different contexts where it can be applied. Context 1. Literal mixing or tidying. When you're physically mixing or tidying objects and they become disorganized. I muddled up all my socks in the drawer, and now I can't find a pair. Context 2. Figurative mixing of concepts or ideas. When you're discussing or thinking about concepts or ideas, and they become jumbled in your mind or conversation. During the debate, he muddled up his arguments, and his point was lost. Context 3. Confusing two or more items. When two or more items or people are confused with one another. She muddled up the twins' names again. Sometimes, English learners muddle up with other phrases. Let's clarify what muddle up is not. It is not the same as muddle through, which means to manage to get through something despite difficulties. It is not used to indicate a single item being confused. It generally involves multiple items or ideas. I hope this video has helped you get a firm grasp on the phrase, muddle up. Remember, English is full of phrases that can be confusing, but with a little practice, you won't muddle them up anymore. Keep practicing, keep learning, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a native speaker. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you next time.